Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the Ipsy February 2023 Month of Love unboxing. So if you would like to see what all I got in this box and see me create this gorgeous look, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So like I said in the beginning, we are unboxing the Ipsy February 2023 box of love. You are loved. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about Ipsy. Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription, and we have 3 subscriptions. We have the Glam Bag, which is the like faux leather little bag, and you get 4 trial size items in that one. And then we have the Glam Bag Plus, and it is always one of these cool little fabric bags with the drawstrings on it. So cool. I love these little bags. They're so great to repurpose. That one is $28, and you get 5 full-size items in that one. And then the last box is the Glam Bag X. That one is $55 a month, and you get 7 to 8 full-size items in that box, and that one's my favorite. So, you are loved. Buy yourself flowers, wear a fragrance that makes you smile, give yourself a compliment for trying a new lip color created by designer Dime Jones. This month's bag is a reminder that you deserve to be spoiled because self-love is the best love. Amen to that. So what we are going to do is I'm going to show you everything I got, and we're going to do a full face of makeup. So this one might be a little long. Get you a drink and a snack, and we'll do it to it. So for the Glam Bag, I got this cute little pink lippy, and the color looks really nice. Yeah, we're definitely wearing that today. Guys, I haven't put any makeup on my face in so long. Since the last video I put out, I've not been able to do a whole lot, and I just haven't done no makeup, or I've been on the couch still. The next thing is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Yeah, we're going to use that. But I can't skip to it. Then the Saturday Skin Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. So, and then the next one is the Dime. I tried to tag this one, but I couldn't find it on TikTok. It had some kind of weird new agreement. This is the Dime Volumizing Mascara. So we will be using this one. Ooh, I like the packaging. That's kind of cool. That was everything in the Glam Bag. And then for the Glam Bag Plus, we got the Dr. Brandt, which we're going to start off with this one. This is the Hydrating Essence Tone, Soothe, and Revitalize. I have not put no skincare on. I've not put anything on my face. I just sat down back here and started filming. Ooh. This one smells nice and skincare. What good skincare. Oh gosh, guys, I finally got me some more. Best makeup remover in the world. Mary Kay. Had my Mary Kay lady bring me some stuff. Oh my gosh, it was so nice to get that. Alright. Now that that's done, let me slather on some serum. We'll go into the hyaluronic serum by Glow Recipe. The next thing that we got while this dries down is the MOTD Blush Duo. And I love this packaging. I think it's simple. These would stack well, like in a drawer or on a desk. It's just a cute little package. I really like that. And this is the blush. It's kind of light, but then we got the Queen Cosmetics 2 liners. So we got the liquid liner and the kohl liner. And then the last thing we got is, well, we got the Grown Alchemist right here. That's some good skincare. And then we got the BH Cosmetics Do It For the Gram eyeshadow palette. I'm not, like, this color story isn't really doing it for me. But we're going to do something with it. But BH Cosmetics is a really good brand. And I love my eyeshadow palette that I got from them. Then we also got this cute little blush brush. Oh, it's so cute. And then that, I do believe, my loves, is it. So, now that that has sit on my face, we're going to go in with this moisturizer by Clinique. I like Clinique. Oh my gosh, it feels like butter. Wow. Nice and luxurious on the skin. My dry skin needs it. I'm going to jump off and do my brows. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I put on my brows. I did my foundation, which is the Pureless Ultra Ageless Glow BB cream. I need to get some more of this. We're going to go in with this blush. And this blush brush. This is a cute little flush of color. And I just went all around like this. That's cute. I like that. Okay, now we're going to go, we got to put on some eye base. So we're going to do a look with this palette, and I'm going to go in with the Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair. I cannot go without this, baby. And I do have a link, an affiliated link, and I will put that in the description. And if there isn't a sale going on, you can save 30% off your purchase with my code BelindaMua. And I appreciate anybody who uses my links. Okay, let's look at this palette. And we're going to use this red lip today, so I think I'm going to pull in. I'm going to try to make this like a reddish. We're going to use the oranges and the dark colors to, I don't know, do a dark brownish, reddish, smoky eye. So I'm going to go in with this first color and just kind of put it up here at the top. I'm going to go in with this second one. Don't have names on it, so. And we're just going to run that right and underneath the first color. And it does show a little orange. It looks brown in the pan, but it is pulling a little orange. I'm just taking this dark brown and I'm running it through my crease and down into this outer third, and then I'm just going to pull back just a little bit and just blend it. I'm going to take that red shimmer, this one, and I'm going to press that on the outer part of the lid. Brush so that I blended that dark brown, and we're just going to get that crease. Damn, that just kind of took over the whole look. I didn't expect that to just take over the whole look. But that just shows you that the shimmers with BH Cosmetic are that good. Okay, now we are going to go in with the liner. Decent. You gotta be careful with the mature lids though, because it does kind of snag on you. Now for the mascara. I put a skin shade in the waterline. I don't know if that's good or not. I'm excited to use this red lip. And it is a matte lipstick. This is such a pretty lipstick. Now I'm going to spray the face with the Slay All Day setting spray. I had planned to do a red look, but that didn't happen because this was more orange than red. So we got orange flare. Like, I actually like it. I don't know if anybody else does, but I put a duochrome in the corner with that, on top of that Dominique Cosmetics wet highlighter, and I think it really made the inside of the eyes pop. Great pigmentation for BH Cosmetics. This is just not my favorite palette. The Color Story, I don't wear a lot of these. I do know that one is gorgeous. But yeah, great formula. And I love this red lip. It is matte. It's not going anywhere. I did pair the Gerard Cosmetics Immortal. This red matches perfectly with it. This is a nice little formula. I like this. And the moisturizer was like, my skin is thanking me right now because it was so dry. Yeah, I liked everything that I got. I like the palette, even though I don't like the Color Story. I like the formula, and I just think it looks so pretty. I think the lip and the eyes look really pretty. I think that I liked everything. I really like this eyeliner. The mascara was okay. The blush, absolutely adorable. I'm going to put a little bit more on. The Grown Alchemist and Dr. Brandt is really good stuff. And I like that toner. It smelled really nice. And I love this lipstick. I've never seen or heard of this brand, but I'm definitely going to go look them up because that little lipstick is cute. So guys, that is the end of this video. I think this was a great box. If you enjoyed this unboxing and this get ready with me, then please smash that like button. And if you have not subscribed and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss an upload. And guys, all the links will be down below in my description. I love you. I'll see you later.